I'm going to skip my whole preamble. Basically, you can riddle it down to AI good, regulations bad. So, but if there's any FDIC or FHFA people, totally disagree. So, again, we're going to show you some cool technology, and you've seen a lot of cool technology. For us, the most important thing is the technology's ability to fit into your ecosystem. That's the most important thing, right? And for us to be able to implement compliant AI. So that's really where we're focused. AI is an incredible technology, but it has to fit into your world. So what I'm going to demo to you guys is our loan officer agentic automation. And so basically, we built this thing predominantly to drive down sales cost. Like, how can we make the loan officers more productive and drive down that sales cost? The second goal was borrower enablement. We feel very strongly that the more educated our borrowers are, is inversely proportional to the cost, the sales cost. So we can make our borrowers empowered, we can reduce our sales cost. So that was kind of the goal of this thing. So let's just jump into this. And then, but one other thing, again, the reason that we kind of pursued this now, I mean, we've been looking at this problem since 2017. But the reason that we pursued this now is the maturity of the technology, the maturity of the compliant AI. Right? That's the reason that we're able to implement this now in a safe mode, and that's kind of what we're pursuing. So let me just jump into this, and this will be more fun this time around. This is basically our point-of-sale application. So imagine you're getting a phone call coming in, and we will accept that phone call.
Thank you for calling Cashbank Mortgage. How can I help you?
I'm interested in refinancing my loan.
Great choice, Sam. Refinancing can help improve your loan terms or provide cash-out options. TO confirm. You're interested in a cash-out refinance, correct?
Yes, I'd love to get about $80,000 in my hand.
Got it, Sam. You're looking for an $80,000 cash-out refinance, and I see your remaining loan balance is $400,000. So the total loan will be $480,000. Next step. Let's pick a loan term and type, fixed or adjustable rate. Here are your options. Fixed rate, 15, 20, or 30 years with steady payments. Adjustable rate, ARM 3/1, 5/1, or 7/1 with lower initial rates, but variable payments later. Which one sounds best for you? Need more details?
So again, remember, in the agentic solution, we defined a process flow that every lender will be able to control. Right? And in this conversation, this is a subsequent call that I've made, right? So the conversation from the previous calls were all summarized together, shoved into the CRM, and all brought back in, and the session is kind of restarted. The AI is cognizant of everything that's happened so far. So I'm going to take this, whatever direction we want to go in. Yeah, that would be great. Can you tell me which one is better for me, a fixed 15 or a 5/1 ARM?
Gotcha. You're interested in the ARM 5/1 option, but here's the key info. Rate, 7% points. 1.5 points, percentage of loan amount. Additional fee. $2. Let me know if you need details on how ARM works or want to compare this with other options.
Well, I'm interested in comparing it to a fixed 15 loan.
Great choice, Sam. A 15-year fixed rate offers lower interest rates and faster payoff. Here's what it looks like. Rate, 3.5% points. 2 points, percentage of loan amount. Additional fee. $2,000 maximum rate buy down. 0.5%. Does this sound good? Or would you like to compare with other options?
So again, I mean, we can go, this conversation can go in any direction we want. Talk about different products, different pricing, comparisons. It'll give you feedback, right? We've trained the solution with all Freddie, Fannie, all documents. It would contain our customers, the lenders' policies, the lenders' processes. All of those are in control here. The solution would be integrated with our lenders' systems, their lenders' POS, LOS. A couple of other things I want to point out on here. So I didn't demo to you the integrations with third parties, right? Getting credit or AVM, things like that. I did want to highlight to you this beacon score. So again, that idea that we want to be able to educate our borrower, enable our borrower is a very important concept for us. And so we want the system to be able to morph how it communicates and how it interacts with the borrower based on their sentiment. So we have this Tavant beacon score, basically a borrower experience score, to be able to help understand the borrower's experience level. And if you're a novice borrower, then we want to speak to you in more novice terms. So the other thing is that obviously every information that we're talking through, it's being captured. Loan purpose, dollar amount, all of that information is being captured. And we built this thing, and what we're demoing to you is just loan officer and borrower interaction. But that direct interaction, as an industry, we may not be ready for that. There may be areas in fulfillment or servicing that could use this. So we have another version of this, which is really the human-in-the-loop version, in which we have a concept called a borrower simulator. That is really where just one AI is acting as the borrower. And you can run through hundreds of scenarios, right? Thousands of scenarios. And then the other AI is basically the coach, listening in on the conversation and guiding and providing coaching to the loan officer. And so it's a very powerful training tool that we found to help loan officers and processors and underwriters get trained and onboarded. The other thing is that, again, we're showing you this framework, then applied it into the loan officer-borrower interaction. But this can be applied anywhere. And we've been talking to other customers, not even fintech customers, but ad sales and other areas, agriculture, warranty, where this kind of solution can be applied. And that's really where I just wanted to highlight back to you guys that it is a working solution, but we'd love to show you more. There's so much more capability that's built into the solution. So if you're interested, please come and see us at the booth. Thank you.